Welcome to you all. Today I will teach you about direct, indirect. Now see how we are converting the direct speech into the indirect speech. Okay. In this, I will discuss about this whole change according to the tenses and other changes also. Clear? Now, let us start with this direct speech, how we are converting it into the indirect speech. Now, watch it till the end. Then you will come to know about direct and indirect. So, let us start. In previous videos, I told you about the tenses. What is tense? What is narration? Narration means what is sentence, that I told you. The same means the simple whatever is written or is speaking by any person, that is the narration, means act or reporting the words of the speaker. It is called the narration. Okay. Whatever the act the person is doing, whatever the person is speaking, the words whatever person is using, these all things are called narration. And these are in a two ways. Sometimes we are speaking in a direct way and sometimes we are speaking in an indirect way. Now, means direct way means the actual words are quoted, as we are using the quotations. You have seen quotations spoken by some great men. In the same manner we are using, then it is called direct speech. Means enclosed in inverted comma. When we are writing any direct speech, then that one was enclosed in an inverted comma. Okay, and the actual words are transformed. This is called indirect, means not enclosed in inverted commas. So, indirect is not enclosed. But when I am talking about direct speech, then direct speech is enclosed in an inverted comma, and these are the actual words that are quoted. Now, see here, she said to me, I am playing. Means said to me. It is what? It is verb. I am playing. I am playing is a reported speech. Okay. So the reported speech is in a inverted comma. And what it is presenting? It is presenting the direct speech. But when I am talking about indirect speech, then what you will do? She said to me, just now I had not changed said to will change into told. Okay, then that she was playing means I am playing will change into she was playing. And how it changes, these are the rules that I will tell you in this video. Okay, so these are the change. Means in a direct speech you are presenting the same quoted lines, and in direct speech we are presenting the transformed lines. Okay, that is why here the change has been done. It is written I am playing, and the change is that she was playing. Now, why was is used? Because of said. Said is in a past form. When the reported verb is in a past tense, then all the reported speech will also change. Now, see, things you should know about these direct, indirect. Okay. Now we will discuss about the concept of direct, indirect. Now, what is the concept? Subject and object. First person, second person, and third person. Tenses. These are the related concepts of direct, indirect. Okay. Subject and object is very important. Then the persons are very important. Okay. First person, second person, third person. These are also very important things that you should know. Now see, Shazia said to John. Now at first you have to know about what is subject. Then what is subject? Shazia is subject, of course, here. Said to is verb here. And John is object. Then I think you will come to know that what is subject and object now. Now I will discuss about the first person, second person and third person. Point of view. Now what is point of view? See here. First person, second person and third person. First person, second person and third person. Okay. Now see. The first person is talking to second person. First person, I. Okay. In a singular, plural, we. When I am talking to second person, then second is you. Second means you is always in a singular and in a plural. When they both were talking about any third person, then it is called he, she or they. He, she is singular, but they is plural. So it is clear. Now see another. The chart of first person, second person and third person. It is very important to learn. First person, I, we. Second person, you, and third is he, she, it, and they, that I told you. Okay. Now come to the tenses. Time at which the action is performed, it is called tenses. Means time is very important in tenses. We have 3 times. One is present, another is past, and then is future. Now see, present tense means simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. These are the parts of past. Mainly we are changing the speech into past forms. That is why here past is discussed. Okay. So these are the things that you should know. You come to know about subject and object. You come to know about person. Now you come to know about tenses also. Now steps. To convert a direct speech to indirect speech. How we are changing it. For this we have 6 steps. Now identify it. In it we are changing subject, object, reporting verb, first person, second person and third person, and then we are changing tenses, means subject, object, and these all things are converted while we are talking about indirect narration, means change of verb and change of all other things also, subject, object and all other things. Now see, when I am talking about verb, said to. When said to is given, then said to we will change into told. But only said is given, then we will write said. Say to is given, then we will write tell. And says to is given, then we will write tells. Okay, so these are the changes of reported verb when I am talking about reported verb. Okay, another is replace with that. Then what we are replacing with that? The inverted commas we are replacing with that. See? And change of pronoun. Pronoun, you know, he, she, you, they. This also we are changing according to the subject and object of reported verb. We are changing the pronouns. First person, subject. Second person, object. Third person, no change. Now see. I hope this change of pronoun is quite clear to you, that when we are changing, then change of pronoun is also very compulsory. Later on, I will teach you how we are changing the pronoun. And change of tenses also very important. Direct, indirect means direct, indirect is related to the 6 steps. And these are the 6 steps. Means if the reported verb is in the past tense, then we are changing the whole in a past tense. But sometime when reported verb is in a past, then still we are not changing because of a universal truth or habit. Suppose it is written, he said the sun rises in the east. Then he said that the sun rises in the east. Why? Because it is universal truth. Okay. Now see the table next. It is simple present will change into simple past. Present continuous will change into past continuous. Present perfect will change into past perfect. And past perfect continuous will change into present perfect continuous will change into past perfect continuous. Simple past will change into past perfect. And past perfect never changes. वो as it is रहता है. Past continuous will change into past perfect continuous. Now see the future tense. Will, shall changes into would and should plus verb की first form. Okay? We are not doing any change. Can and may change into could and might. When these are means the reported verb is in a past tense. Suppose it is written he said, then you will do these kind of changes. Okay? Again I am repeating, when the reported verb is given in a past tense, then we will do these kind of changes. Now see the another point. Update time specific words. These all are the steps of direct, indirect. Then how? See, update time specific words. Now see here. Changes into there. Tomorrow changes into the next day. Today changes into that day. Yesterday changes into the previous day. This changes into that. Now changes into then. and tonight changes into that night. So these are the changes that we are doing when the reported verb is in the past tense and we are changing the reported speech in the past tense. Okay, all the types of past tense, and these are the 6 steps that we need to change. What we have to change: the subject, object, reported verb, person, and tenses. These things we have to change it while we are doing direct narrations. Okay. Said to change into told. Said is always said. If it is say to written, then tell. If says written, then tells. Now see, replace with that. अब that कब लगाते हैं? This also I discuss about the change of pronoun, that first person, subject, second person, we are changing according to the situation. We are changing these persons according to the situation. And these are the words that we are changing according to the indirect. Means in a direct way you will find here, but when you will change in indirect, you will get there. Direct examples, see, then you will come to know that how you have to change it. See here, it is written, she said to me, I am playing football with you. Said to is a reported verb, and this reported verb is in a past tense. So when we are removing the inverted comma, then what you have to do? The reported speech will also change into simple past. Means in a past tense, this will also change. Okay, she is a subject here. Said to is a reported verb. Me is an object. Okay, and I is a first person, you is a second person. So I will change according to the subject and you will change according to the object. Okay, she said to me. She ने किससे कहा? Me means तुमसे. Okay, and this present continuous will change into past continuous. So it is clear to you. At first you see said to will change into told. She told me. Now I told you that when you are removing inverted commas, then what you have to do? When you are replacing that, then you will use that. She told me that she was playing football with me now. Next is, see, she said to me that. Change of pronoun, I told you she will change according to the subject, means subject will come according to subject. Object will change according to object. Okay. She, I कह रहा है ना, वो अपने लिए कह रहा है. In the same manner, then she means she is a subject. So subject will change according to the subject and object will change according to the object. It means that I will change into she and you will change into me. These are the changes of pronoun. This you have to do. Okay. She said to me. So she said to whom? Me. I means I stands for she. It means she will come. Okay. Am playing. This I told you that when reported verb is in a past tense, then we are changing the tense also in a past continuous. Then we will change into the past continuous. Okay. And now this also I told you that this is the specific word and it will change. How? Now change with then. So see how we are changing. She said to me that she was playing with me then. Okay. So these are the changes. Means subject will change according to the subject, or object will change according to the object. This is the main thing that you have to remind. Now see another example here. Ram said, Shyam, I started a new job. Ram is a subject here. Said is Shyam is object here. Said is a reported verb. I started a new job. I is a first person. Started a new job, it is also in a past tense. So what I told you, that past tense will change into past perfect. How you will change? It is simple past. Now see the changes. Ram said Shyam. Ram told Shyam. Or if you want to write said, then you can write, but you have to write in place of this Ram told Shyam, then it is good. Okay, Ram said Shyam is written here, but we will change into Ram told Shyam. You can write said, it is not wrong because to is not written, so you can write said. Okay, that I started a new job. Here, I is the first person. It will change according to the subject. And subject is Ram here. So, he started a new job. Okay. Now, see the change of tenses also. Started a new job. Had started a new job. Because simple past will change into past perfect tense. See the change again. Started, had started. Okay, again I am telling you, when set is given, then you can write set, but set to is given, then you can write told. Okay, so Ram said Shyam that I started a new job. It means he started, he had started, because simple past will change into some perfect, past perfect. See here, Ram said Shyam that he had started a new job. Now see another example. They said, we will plan a picnic tomorrow. They is a subject here. Said is a verb. We will plan. We is a first person plural number. Okay. And will is a future tense. Tomorrow, this also we will change according to the time that I told you. Tomorrow will change into the next day. So how you will change? Just see. Because to is not given, then what you will do? They said. Then said is said. No change. Okay. See here. Said is written. Then you will write again said here. After that, while removing the inverted commas, then you will write that. See how? They said that. Yes. After that, you have to change we according to the subject. Means they is pronoun, and that pronoun we will change according to the subject. We is also pronoun. So it will change. We will change into they. Okay? Because subject will change according to the subject. Now change of tenses. I told you will change into would. Shall change into should. May change into might. So according to the reported verb, RV is a reported verb. It is said जब वो past में है, then everything you will change in the past. So will change into would. And when I am talking about the words, then tomorrow will change into the next day. So they said that they would plan a picnic the next day. Now see another example. The teacher said to the students, the sun rises in the east. I told you when there is a universal truth, जो चीज़ें हमेशा एक जैसी रहती हैं, it is called universal truth. That universal truth, we are not changing the tenses. It will always come in a present tense. Okay? Now see how the teacher is a subject here, said is a reported verb, and the student is a object. So how we are changing? Again said to is given, then to is given, it means that you have to change into the told. Okay, how the teacher told the students, and while you are removing inverted commas, then you have to write that. Okay, and simple present will never change. Why? Because of the universal truth, the fact. It is universal fact. So it is not going to change in a past. ये as it is लिख दिया जाएगा. जहाँ भी आपको universal truth मिलते हैं वो change नहीं होते. Okay? The sun rises in the east. It is universal truth. So it is not going to change into past tense. No. See how you will change? The teacher told the teacher told the students that the sun rises in the east. Means it is universal truth. So there is no need of changing the tense here. We will write as it is. No change. The teacher told the student that the sun rises in the east. Okay. Now another example, see. He says to me, I am running. Says to. Ab says to is given. It means that it is simple present. And simple present, again there is a present form. So at first I will identify here. So he is a subject. Says to is a reported verb. And me is the object. I is a first form here. Am running, it is in a present continuous. It means that reported verb is also in a present tense and reported speech is also in a present tense. So in that situation, we are not going to change it in a past. If the reported verb is in a simple present tense, then we will change it into simple present, all the means complete sentence. See, he tells me, I am running. Then at first remove inverted commas. In place of inverted comma, you have to use that. So here he tells me that. Now change of pronoun. I will change according to the subject. So subject is he, then he will come here. He, after that, am running. So in place of am, we have to use is. Why? Because in simple present, we cannot change it into simple past. When reported verb is in a present, then reported speech will also come in a past. He tells me that he is running. Now, it is clear. Now let us do the revision here. Revise it. What is the narration? Means act of reporting the verbs of speaker. Things you should know about the subject, object, tense, and about the person. Note it down. Then you have to identify the 6 steps. Update the specific word, change of tenses, change of pronoun, replace with that, and change of reported verb. Means what you have to identify: subject, object, reporting verb, first person, second person, third person, and tenses. These you have to identify when you are changing direct into indirect. Said to change into told, said is said, say to tells, and replace with that also. That I told you, when there is inverted comma, then you will change. Okay. Change of pronoun. I told first person will change according to the subject, second person will change according to the object. Now change of tenses. These are present will change into past. Then update the specific words. These are here will change into there, tomorrow the next day, today the that day, yesterday previous day, this, that, now, then, tonight, that night. These are the changes of update time specific words. Thank you. I hope these narrations are quite clear to you.